previous lesson, we learned how to format our reports for use on mobile devices. In this lesson, we'll learn how to save files in PowerBi Desktop and publish our work to the PowerBi online service. First, let's discuss how we can print a report in PowerBi Desktop. To print our current report, we first need to export it to a PDF document. We can do this by selecting File and Export to PDF. This will create a PDF of the report and open it in your default PDF Reader application. Note that if your report has multiple pages, all the pages will be included in the PDF. To print this PDF, we can simply press Ctrl-P. Let's now return to PowerBi Desktop and learn how to save our report locally. To do this, we'll navigate to the File menu and choose the Save As option. We'll now navigate to the desired directory and give the report a title. I'll call it First PowerBi Report. This report is saved with the extension pbix. This file will contain all the pages and visualizations of the report that we've been working on, as well as the phone layout we created in the previous lesson. We can now share our work with anyone by sending them this pbix file. Note that the recipient will need to have PowerBi Desktop installed on their computer in order to open the file. Once they've installed PowerBi Desktop, they'll have the same ability to edit and modify the report as you. Another important feature of the pbix files is that they also include the data used in the report. In this case, this is the 3 tables of data we extracted from the Excel file. Therefore, you do not need to distribute the underlying data sources when distributing a pbix file. While sharing a single file with colleagues is a rather simple process, it isn't a very efficient way to distribute your work to a large audience. A better option is to upload the report to the PowerBi online service. We can do this directly from PowerBi Desktop. We'll click on the Home tab and then Publish. We're now prompted to sign in to PowerBi. If you haven't yet signed up for PowerBi, you can click on the Need a PowerBi account link to create one. Note that you must sign up to PowerBi using a work email address. Personal domains such as Gmail or Outlook are not supported. Alternatively, if your company uses Office 365, you can sign into PowerBi using your Office 365 account. In this case, you won't need to create a separate PowerBi account. Once you've signed up for PowerBi, simply enter your credentials here and select Sign In. You'll then be prompted to identify a location for the file. We'll cover this in the next lesson, but for now, we'll select My Workspace. We'll now choose to view our report in PowerBi. This opens PowerBi in our browser, and we can see that our report has been published successfully. We'll stop the lesson here. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into the PowerBi online service.